Let's talk about an easy and effective remedy for tartar. Tartar, or dental plaque, is actually made of biofilms, protective shelters bacteria build from calcium. These bacteria hide under a dome, making them tough to eliminate. In fact, 95% of bacteria in nature live in biofilms. If you've ever picked up a rock from a stream and felt that slimy coating, that's biofilm. In your mouth, biofilms thrive in saliva. When they build up excessively, they can cause bad breath, gum inflammation, and receding gums. If left unchecked, they harden into tartar, requiring a dentist visit for removal. But there's a simple way to manage and prevent this naturally. Xylitol, found in gum and sweeteners, has anti-biofilm properties that prevent bacteria from sticking to teeth. There are also natural biofilm fighters like rosemary, clove, thyme, oregano oil, cinnamon, and NAC. But the real game changer? A simple 3-ingredient remedy? 1. Baking soda. It neutralizes acid, preventing calcium loss and breaking down biofilms. Your own saliva produces it, so it's completely safe. 2. Hydrogen peroxide, 3%. Kills bacteria, yeast, and biofilms. Your body actually makes this too. 3. Water. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 1/4 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide in half a cup of water. After brushing with toothpaste, use this mix to brush again. There's also some research suggesting that vitamin K2, often paired with vitamin D3, may help reduce plaque buildup over time by improving calcium regulation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health tips.